guys, I'm gonna show you how to guitar buko. So I'm gonna play first. Kahit na play the chorus part. Na guys, so the chords you needed is A, C sharp, 4th fret. Looks like B minor 4th fret. B minor. So you pick power chords. So first things first, we're gonna play A. Move to B minor. And repeat in those choruses. Kahit na B minor and C sharp 2 times, first and second, and move to D. Sorry, I forgot D. Ikaw pa buhay ko. Play this with your girlfriends. You can play this one. So thanks for watching.